If you've been struggling with low energy, slow weight loss, or feeling sluggish, your metabolism might be to blame. Many of us experience a metabolic slump due to factors like poor diet, lack of exercise, and even stress. But here's the good news: you can reset your metabolism in just 7 days with a few simple, strategic changes. No excuses. First, start with hydration. Water is essential for nearly every metabolic process, so begin your day with a glass of water and aim to drink consistently throughout the day. Dehydration slows metabolism, so this simple step is key. Next, focus on protein at every meal. High-protein foods like eggs, fish, and legumes require more energy to digest, helping boost your metabolic rate. Plus, protein supports muscle growth, which burns more calories even at rest. Move more, often. You don't need a grueling gym routine. Short, frequent movement throughout the day is powerful. Try adding a few high-intensity intervals or taking short walks after meals to keep your metabolism engaged. Sleep is another critical factor. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality rest each night. Poor sleep can throw hormones out of balance, which affects your hunger and energy levels, slowing your metabolic rate. Finally, reduce stress. Chronic stress releases cortisol, a hormone that can slow down metabolism. Try incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to keep stress in check. By sticking to these steps for just a week, you can give your metabolism the reset it needs to work more efficiently. Small, consistent changes can have a lasting impact, leaving you with more energy and a healthier, more active metabolism. No excuses.